floss, do the floss, do the floss. Hey, hey, hey.
I did the dad.
Jingle all the way.
Hey guys, today I'm here with Lilian and today I'm doing her makeup.
I'm so excited. Thank you for doing my makeup. Do you know what you're going to do?
Yes. Before we get started, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Subscribe. Okay, enjoy the video.
Today we're going to use this foundation with this sponge.
Okay.
This on my wrist.
Just put it in the back of the hand. Like, I don't know where kids get these things from.
And I'm dabbing it and putting it on her.
Thank you. So how many times have you done someone's makeup?
This is the second time.
Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you. I'm going to look like you by the end of this video.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I look like a Barbie? We're getting there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be using. Okay, we're gonna start with this because we never started with it. It is a Mickey Mouse eyeshadow.
5 dots of colors.
These are the colors. Here, it's going on your eye. Now I will be using mascara.
People wear this look for the holidays, for Christmas.
People wear this for the holidays like Christmas. Now I'm gonna be using. We're gonna use this.
Wow. Do I look pretty now?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I'm gonna use eyeshadow on her.
Are you? Okay, go ahead. She's using blue.
I got some
You
here.
got some? It's okay. Is it gone?
No.
No? What should I do?
You didn't wipe it off.
I should wipe it off?
Yeah.
You can wipe it with the beauty blender. Big island. You're poking my eye out. Do I look pretty now?
No.
No?
It's not
I don't look pretty?
No, wipe it off. Wipe it off.
Oh, okay. So actually wipe it off.
Yeah, I am not kidding. I'm not kidding.
Oh my god. Because for Christmas, I feel like what colour lipstick do people wear?
Green and red.
Green and red, they are Christmas colours. Okay. Is this nice? This red?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
This is the best one you've done?
Yeah.
Baby steps. Baby steps. So she's using the Tarte liner.
And it's so sharp I can't even touch it. Okay, now I know.
Do you remember where to put the eyeliner?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It doesn't go here?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it went here. Oh, okay. I feel attacked. Is it pretty?
Yeah. Wait.
What?
Okay, yeah.
It's pretty?
Yeah.
Like, are you sure? You can't make me look ugly. I
Yeah.
have to go places, I have people to see. Do I trust you?
Yeah, I trust you.
Do I trust you?
Yeah.
Do you
Oh yeah. While she's doing that, I am gonna be using this.
Good job. Yeah, this is what we're going for?
Yep, this is what we're going for.
Great. Wanna maybe finish off with this spray so you last forever and ever and ever? Yeah?
Ever and ever. I'll be using this spray.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm scared of you. Go.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Look.
Oh my god, this is your best job, right?
Yeah.
I look amazing. Do I?
Yes.
Thank you. I know I definitely feel amazing. What do you give this out of a 10? Like 1 is like rubbish, 10 is like amazing.
I think I give it 10.
Yay! Yes. Big high five. Yay! Oh wow. One more. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take me 5 seconds. This looks amazing. Oh, thank you. Look everyone. Danica is coming for you and your job on YouTube, right?
Ho ho ho, yeah.
comments below. You guys keep smiling. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Christmas Eve.
Santa
Came to say, Rudolph, with your not so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeers left him. You're on the history.
Yay! Do I look as pretty as you? That's a long pause. That's a long pause. You should say yes.